O muthenya kwandikithagio macira matiganite magoti-ini, muthitangani agikururia muthitangwo, amwe makirugamirira na angi makirugamirirwo ni mawakiri. Mwaka-ini wa 2007
Dola Indindis
muthenya umwe ugikia ota mithenya iri ingi na wakiri Dola Indindis akimakia thi ng'ima thutha wa guthii igoti-ini inene Nairobi na akihanda cira wa gũtetia kũragwo na kwambwo kwa Jesu Kristo mũrũ wa Ngai mũtharabai-ini. Dola agitetera itua riu augire Jesu onokorwo ni kwarathitwo ni agakua oragirwo na njira ya magigi na mugaru na watho, na nikio eta murata wa Jesu athingataga kihoto giake gikinyanirio.
I want a declaratory judgment, a declaration that the trial, judgment and sentence entered were bad in law and therefore null and void.
Dola athitire muthamaki wa ihinda riu Herode, Pilatu uria wari baruthi wa Judea, muthamaki Tiberio, atongoria na arutani a Yahudi, bururi wa riu wa Israel na Italy, akiuga maya mabururi nimo mangikuithio murigo wa ngero iria Jesu agerirwo amu agereirwo tiri-ini wao.
That was just mob justice as far as I'm concerned. Pontius Pilate never entered any sensible judgment. You cannot say an accused is guilty and then you acquit him. The same way you cannot say he is innocent and then you convict him. You can't.
Akiibia cira wake Dola, orio ira wake ni uriku kuona uyu ni undu wahanikite makiria ya miaka 2000 mithiru, augire kirikaniro kiri na uira wothe wa uria mũrũ wa Ngai anyaririrwo muhuro uyu wa riũa.
The way he was made to die was not lawful. That is all the contention that is there. I gave a parallel that, for example, you get a situation where somebody prophesied that your child, you'd have a boy child, and the child would be knocked down by a motor vehicle and killed. So eventually, when you have your child and the child grows up and some fellow knocks him down, the motor vehicle, definitely the motorist would be charged with causing death by dangerous driving.
Igoti ria Nairobi rigiteanirie cira ucio nake Dola ndaigana gukua ngoro, na mwaka-ini wa 2013 imwe kwa imwe agithiririka o nginyagia The Hague na akihanda cira ucio igoti-ini ria kimabururi ria ICJ.
And even himself he asked those ones who came to arrest him, why do you come to arrest me at night armed with all this manner of crude weapons as if you are coming to arrest a criminal? He questioned his own arrest. It was not lawful.
Igoti ria ICJ ritigana guthikiriria cira ucio rikiurega mithingi ya atirio rithikagiriria macira ma gibururi, na ningi uyu cira wari nja wa mihaka yario ya kiwira. Amwe makimuorota makiuga ndari na ukinyaniru wa meciria, nowe agitetera akiuga andu matiagaga wa kuga, na uguo mundu ndagirire kuragwo ngoro ni uria amwe marauga. Ici ti ng'ano cia marimu ndakuhe, na nikio guku kwa hihi ni uwi utarowe cia cira uyu wa mũrũ wa Ngai igoti-ini ria guku thi ukihandwo ni Dola Indindis, mwaria wa ruhonge rwa igoti wa tene ni amenya. Njitagwo Wini Kimani wa Mugai.